Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume. Volume came pouring in this afternoon. Some headlines were out. So now the question just becomes, hey, is this the start of something bigger? What exactly is going on, with the big jump that occurred today and the volume? And, is this the start of something bigger? Is there any sort of genuine strength behind today's price movement? Well, the straightforward way to kind of gauge that is to keep an eye on this level down here at 15 cents. Why is 15 cents such an important level? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to kind of justify why I would consider this a must-hold area. If the price were to go back down to 15 cents, however, in this event, the price cracks down through 15 and keeps on going, what would that be doing as far as the price is concerned? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart that it just broke out of. And going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas if the price came down here, however, in this situation behaved like that, and then started to work its way back to the upside, what would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right here. You'd have that lows down here. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, from an overall perspective, that would still be progress being made in the upwards direction. So sure, now I do realize that, depending on your strategy, meaning if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking a little bit rough right now. But assuming you care about the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price remains above that quote-unquote progress point, we'll call it at 15 cents, then that implies that the price does still have an opportunity to make progress, which is what you want to see from the bigger picture point of view. What about levels of resistance? Key level of resistance heading into Wednesday going to be right up here at the 18.5 cent mark. So 18.5 key level, and then after that, right up there at 20. But as of right now, and at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but more so just going through a healthy consolidation and chipping away and building an overall higher base. And once more, that higher base preferably being up above 15 cents. Anyway, look at it though with the headlines today and then the volume and the price action. A lot of eyeballs should be on this one on Wednesday, so we'll see how it continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.